Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Shopify partner account. First, navigate to the official Shopify partners website. Look for and click the Join Now button to initiate your registration. You will then be prompted to enter your email address and create a strong, unique password. Finally, accurately provide your business name and essential contact information to proceed with the initial setup. Next, you'll specify your primary business goal, choosing options like building new stores for clients or developing apps. You'll also indicate your current experience level with the Shopify platform. It's crucial to carefully review and agree to the Shopify Partner Program Agreement. For enhanced security, complete the two-factor authentication process, which helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Once your account is set up, you'll gain access to your comprehensive partner dashboard. This central hub allows you to manage all your activities, including creating unlimited development stores for client projects or testing new features. You can also explore various tools for app development and theme creation. The dashboard helps you efficiently monitor your earnings and track client referrals, providing valuable insights into your business growth. As a Shopify partner, you unlock numerous benefits. You can earn a 20% recurring commission on the monthly subscription fees of clients you refer. Additionally, you receive a 10% revenue share on app sales through the Shopify App Store. The program also provides access to exclusive training materials, educational resources, and dedicated support. You'll join a vibrant, global community of successful Shopify partners, fostering collaboration and growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.